Hi guys, this is Dan from the Investment ABC, your guide to financial freedom. And in this video, I want to talk about Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a Chinese tech stock that is mainly known for its affordable smartphones with very good design and quality. It is not only the quality and design of the phone which attracts customers, but also the features Xiaomi smartphones offer, which you normally find in premium products like Apple. The company does this through two brands. Redmi offers entry-level and mid-range devices, whereby the Mi brand produces top-range phones that go head-to-head with the best that Apple and Samsung have to offer. Many people, especially in the US, don't know Xiaomi, but they managed to overtake Apple as the third biggest manufacturer in the world this year. Samsung ranks number one, followed by Huawei and Xiaomi, both Chinese companies. Huawei is currently facing some problems with the US since Trump has picked it as a target for sanctions. This might be the reason why Xiaomi is first trying to conquer the Asian and European markets before expanding into the US. Since they are using Qualcomm Snapdragon chips, they can't afford to have similar trouble like Huawei. US companies aren't allowed to integrate the technology into Huawei phones anymore. My guess is Xiaomi wants to wait until the tensions between China and the US eases, maybe with the President Biden, before entering the US market. Xiaomi isn't just producing smartphones, but a whole range of products like smart TVs, robo-vacuum cleaners, air filters, smartwatches, wireless earphones, electric scooters, mixers, water cookers, and much more. Xiaomi's strategy is building a brand that people recognize and love for their low price but very good quality. If you check out YouTube reviews or Amazon reviews on their products, they are mostly positive. If you have bought a Xiaomi smartphone and like what you got for the price, you will most likely have a look at the Xiaomi TV if you need one. In the smartphone segment, Xiaomi is trying to hold its profit margins as low as possible to offer their customers very good phones for far lower prices than Apple or Samsung, for example. Xiaomi's strategy is to gain as many users as possible to monetize their customers with other internet services down the road. Therefore, it claims to be an internet company, not only a hardware producer. The stock market currently isn't believing that, so it is for the investor to find out if they can become an internet company soon or not to make some decent money. Let's first have a look at Xiaomi's business segments. The company breaks down its revenue streams into three segments. The first one is the smartphone segment, the second one is IoT and lifestyle products, and the third one is internet services. In 2019, revenue from the smartphone segment reached 122.1 billion RMB, an increase of 7.3% year-over-year. For 2019, Xiaomi shipped approximately 124.6 million units of smartphones, slightly higher than in 2018 with 122.6 million units. Xiaomi launched in February 2020 their flagship 5G smartphones, the Mi 10 series, which is priced between 3,999 RMB and 5,999 RMB. In 2019, the average selling price of Xiaomi smartphones increased by 2.2% compared to 2018, and the gross margin of the smartphone segment increased to 7.2% from 6.2% in 2018. The IoT and lifestyle products include all the other hardware gadgets, including those for the smart home and Internet of Things. In 2019, revenue from the IoT and lifestyle products segment was 62.1 billion RMB, an increase of 41.7% year-over-year. In 2019, Xiaomi's global TV shipments reached 12.8 million units, an increase of 51.9% year-over-year. In mainland China, the annual smart TV shipments exceeded 10 million units. Xiaomi's TV shipments ranked first in mainland China and fifth globally in 2019. They also ranked first in India in terms of smart TV shipments for 7 consecutive quarters as of the fourth quarter of 2019. Xiaomi was the world's largest smart wearable device brand in 2019 by shipments. In 2019, revenue from internet services reached 19.8 billion RMB, an increase of 24.4% year-over-year. In December 2019, monthly active users of MIUI increased by 27.9% year over year to 309.6 million, with mainland China's monthly active users of MIUI standing at 109 million. MIUI is Xiaomi's customized version of Android, which looks very similar to iOS. The software comes with several apps that contain advertising. The monthly active users of Xiaomi's newsfeed service, for example, increased by 32.6% year over year to 78.7 million in December 2019. Another source of revenue in this segment are games. Xiaomi is publishing together with partners its own games and offering them in their App Store for free. Customers can do in-app purchases when playing games or consume ads. In the fourth quarter of 2019, online gaming revenue increased by 44.4% year over year to 874.4 million RMB, mainly due to the strong performance of many popular games operating on Xiaomi's platform. Xiaomi has also its own e-commerce platform called Youpin, where the company is offering many products which either itself is producing or one of its many partners. They offer some really innovative products, and many consumers are just browsing the platform to find new curious gadgets. Furthermore, Xiaomi offers TV, internet services for a flat fee and has also a fintech business. In January 2020, Xiaomi Finance successfully obtained a consumer finance license from the China Banking and Insurance Regulatory Commission. The fintech business helps Xiaomi users to pay bills via Mi Pay or get a small credit via Mi Credit. If we have a look at how the revenue is broken down into these three segments, we can see that 59.3% of the revenue comes from selling smartphones and 30.2% from Xiaomi's IoT and lifestyle products. Only 9.6% of the revenue is generated through internet services. The gross profit margin for its smartphones and other gadgets in 2019 were only 7.2% and 11.2% respectively. Meanwhile, internet services command a profit margin of 64.7%. Let's have a look at Xiaomi's overall numbers. We can see that Xiaomi's revenue increased from approximately 175 billion RMB in 2018 to around 206 billion in 2019. Xiaomi's operating income increased to around 7.9 billion RMB in 2019 from a negative 3.3 billion RMB in 2018. Unfortunately, Xiaomi has a high cost of revenue and a low operating margin. The cost of revenue is around 86%, while the operating margin is approximately 4% in 2019. The first metric says that the company has 86 cents cost to achieve $1 in revenue, and the second one says that out of every $1 in revenue, Xiaomi only makes a profit of 4 cents. These two metrics aren't very good, and the main reason why the valuation is low compared to Apple and other peers, for example, which have way higher profit margins. The other numbers for 2019 look good. The company has a free cash flow of around 20.4 billion RMB, which helps them to reinvest the money back into the company. The company has approximately 64 billion RMB in cash reserves and a healthy current ratio of 1.49. The long-term debt is quite low with just 5.3 billion RMB. Finally, let's talk about the management. The founder and CEO is Lei Jun, an ambitious serial entrepreneur. Lei's first success was selling online retailer Jojo.com to Amazon in 2004 for $75 million. He founded Xiaomi in 2010 and turned it into a powerhouse in just a decade. What I like about a company is that the founder is still the CEO of the company and has a big stake in it, so I can rest assured that his interests are aligned with that of the other shareholders. So what is my verdict? I bought Xiaomi recently for a long-term hold because I believe the company will be successful in increasing its internet services over time, which will generate much higher profit margins for them. By selling top quality products for the best prices, they are increasing the user base significantly. Xiaomi is collecting as much data as possible through its smartphones and smart home devices and creating its own ecosystem similar to Apple. With all the data they are collecting, they can optimize and tailor their internet services with the help of artificial intelligence. The rollout of the 5G network will only increase the IoT trend, in my opinion. Furthermore, more and more people, especially the younger generation, will use Me Pay, Me Credit, or other fintech services if they already use the phone. I think this segment has a lot of potential to grow. A smartphone isn't a status symbol like it used to be anymore. Everyone has one or two, and even Apple smartphones are nothing premium anymore here in the West. Many consumers are fed up with Apple and Samsung jacking up its prices every year. If consumers like Xiaomi smartphones, they will buy other Xiaomi devices and recommend the brand. In Europe, the company managed to overcome the stigma of Chinese companies producing only bad quality products. I think this trend will over time reverse, and many people want to buy Chinese products because of their good quality and tech leadership. Xiaomi is a company that has more than 300 different investments and collaborations currently. They are investing in other startups and work together with these companies either through integration into the Xiaomi ecosystem or as strategic partnerships. One of the more famous strategic partnerships Xiaomi has is with the EV maker Xiaopeng at the moment. Currently, the stock price is around $3.12. The market cap is around 95 billion US dollar. With a price to sales ratio of 2.29, the company is priced way lower than other tech companies. If you believe that Xiaomi will achieve the transition from a hardware producer into a real internet company, you could double or triple your money with this investment in the next 1 to 2 years, in my opinion. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to find more undervalued companies, comment and share. Bye guys, and see you in the next one.